Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, the TikTok application is just not showing you the stories method. So it's not showing you the quick toggle down here, which allows you to go and show stories. Now, this literally just happened to me, and somehow it just fixed itself. So the way I fixed it, and by getting the stories option back, and even really any features that are missing on TikTok, is by making your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store, or really any other application that you download apps from. And you want to make sure your TikTok application is up to date on the most recent version of TikTok. If you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, you are not going to be able to get a lot of the features that come out. So where it says open right here, you want to find an update button, an install button if you don't even have it installed, and you want to update the app. I guarantee you that is pretty much going to fix it for you. So go ahead and update the application. And at that point, once it's updated and you're good to go, all you have to do now is make your way back into the TikTok app, and you want to go ahead and click on the post button down here. So right here, we have that little plus button, whatever it is. You want to click on the plus button and you'll pretty much come into this page. Now, when you're here, you are pretty much almost done. You're almost good to go. All you have to do here is swipe to the side and you should see this quick toggle down here. Now, there's a chance, when you click on it or open it up for the first time, you'll automatically come here. So you'll already be able to post a story and you can go and hold it down and post a story as you normally would, and you can pretty much go on from there. Now, let's say you still don't see this TikTok little option down here for quick stories, whatever. Well, this literally happened to me too. And all I had to do was hop out of that TikTok app like this. I waited like a minute or two. Wasn't even trying to wait. I just kind of just by accident waited. I then made my way back over to the TikTok app, and then and immediately I was able to see that little toggle at the bottom that basically showed me like, hey, TikTok stories is now here. Just check it out, whatever. And I clicked plus and I was able to see the stories there. So that's pretty much how to do it. If it still doesn't show up, I would recommend just closing out of the app, going back into it a couple more times. If it still doesn't show up, you may have to wait a little bit longer for that, story. You may have to wait a little bit longer for that feature to come out. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.